Salamat siang. Hello, everyone. I'm truly honored to join you today as the lead of product planning for the all-new Destinator. As Kato-san mentioned, our journey in developing this premium family SUV began with one simple yet powerful theme: family. From the start, we envisioned it as the confidence booster for energetic families, a vehicle that empowers families to embark on new journeys and discover exciting destinations together. That's why we name it the Destinator. To bring its concept to life, we look to our own families, reflecting on what truly matters to our loved ones and ultimately to our customers. Now, standing before you is a mid-size SUV with a commanding presence and elevated ground clearance, built for excellent off-road capability and agile maneuverability. Inside, the spacious three-row cabin offers comfort for up to 7 passengers, and of course, it delivers exhilarating driving performance. Because it is built with families at its heart, the Destinator offers 3 essential values: comfort, confidence, and prestige. So first, let's begin with comfort. The moment you step inside, you will feel the spacious, high-quality environment designed for families to relax and enjoy every journey together. We've carefully crafted the packaging of this mid-size SUV to maximize the interior space, creating a spacious three-row cabin that delivers MPV-like comfort for all 7 family members. In the first row, the seats offers excellent lumbar support while featuring an open shoulder design, making it easier for parents to chat with their children in the back. The second row provides ample headroom and shoulder room, ensuring a comfortable ride even when all 3 seats are filled. And in the third row, generous legroom and reclining function make long journey more enjoyable. Thoughtful storage solutions and versatile utilities enhance everyday convenience. The second row features foldable seatback tables, perfect for holding tablets or snacks. With both Type A and Type C USB ports in every row, passengers can keep their devices powered at all times. Flexible seat configurations adapt to a variety of cargo needs, and even when all 7 seats are full, there is still plenty of luggage space to fit 4-gallon bottles or whatever the journeys call for. And of course, the driving experience itself is smooth and refined. The suspension has undergone rigorous testing across Indonesian diverse landscapes, from bustling city streets to highways and winding mountain roads. Along with various drive modes, which I will explain later, our latest tuning ensures a comfortable ride whether the road leads. The second core value is confidence. The all-new Destinator is engineered to empower every driver with confidence and safety across diverse terrain and weather conditions, paired with powerful, exhilarating acceleration. With high ground clearance and excellent forward visibility, drivers can confidently take on rough or flooded roads. Generous approach, ramp breakover, and departure angles make it easy to overcome obstacles and uneven terrain. Under the hood, it's powered by a 1.5-liter Mavic engine, turbo engine with a maximum output of 163 PS and a peak torque of 250 Newton meters. It delivers a smooth, responsive, and exhilarating drive. Optimized for the ASEAN region, it features a water-cooled intercooler and a highly efficient dual injection system, achieving an ideal blend of performance and fuel efficiency. The CVT transmission ensures quiet, smooth cruising through city streets and highways, but when power is needed, whether for overtaking uphill or merging at high speeds, it responds with direct, powerful acceleration for an enjoyable drive. To ensure a safe, secure, and comfortable driving experience in various road and weather conditions, we've enhanced the front-wheel drive system with our all-wheel control technology. By integrating active yaw control, traction control, engine control, and power steering control, the Destinator delivers the confident off-road capability you expect from a true SUV. And because every journey is different, we've introduced 5 distinct drive modes, each designed to deliver optimal handling and driving force across diverse terrains. Normal mode offers a balanced drive for everyday use. Wet mode provides high stability even in rainy conditions. Gravel mode reduces slippage and enhances handling on unpaved roads. And mud mode pours through muddy terrain with confidence. And for the first time in Indonesia, we are proud to introduce the tarmac mode, born from Mitsubishi Motors Motorsports DNA. It delivers agile, precise handling on winding paved roads and turns every daily moments, like escaping heavy traffic on highways, into enjoyable drives. And above all, we know that safety is a top priority for families. That's why we've equipped Destinator with advanced driving assistant features, including the multi-alarm monitor for high preventive safety, complemented by a reinforced collision safety body that minimizes cabin deformation and 6 airbags. And last but not least, we've arrived at the last core value, prestige. Simply put, this is the joy of ownership. It's about the thoughtful details that make every drive feel special for families. One of the most defining features is its stylish design, but rather than explaining it myself, our designer will later share the passion behind our designer's work in the next session. Inside, the large monolithic display panel combines a 12.3-inch smartphone link display audio and 8-inch driver display, offering key driving information at a glance, so drivers stay informed and confident on the road. Whether adjusting the panoramic sunroof, controlling the sound system, fine-tuning ambient lighting, or managing connected features, the center display uplifts every driving experience. Daytime drives are enriched by the panoramic sunroof, which fills the cabin with bright, natural light, creating an open and airy feel. You can adjust the glass and sunshade for the perfect blend of sunlight and fresh air. At night, 64-color ambient lighting transforms the cabin, allowing you to match the atmosphere to your mood. Whether you prefer a steady glow, 3-color transition, or thrilling pulse while parked, you can personalize the experience to suit any moment. And for families who love music, our renowned Dynamic Sound Yamaha Premium delivers rich, immersive audio through an 8-speaker setup, finely tuned by Yamaha's Soundmeister to create the perfect sound experience for the Destinator. Finally, our Mitsubishi Connect enhances both safety and convenience. In emergencies, call center support is always ready to assist, giving families peace of mind. For everyday use, smartphone integration helps you locate your vehicle and activate the air conditioning remotely, ensuring comfort before the drive even begins. At its core, every detail of the all-new Destinator was crafted with families in mind. I hope the Destinator will be your trusted companion, inspiring you and your loved ones to embrace new adventures, create unforgettable memories, and enjoy a safe journey to your grand destinations. Thank you very much. Terima kasih. And now, to complete the story of its creation, I'd like to hand it over to Akita-san, who has brought the design of the all-new Destinator to life.
Thank you, Ito-san. And hello, everyone. I'm Naoki Akita, Program Design Director in charge of this project. Today, it's my pleasure to introduce you to our new model designed destinator. First of all, the destinator was designed with our Indonesian customer in mind, especially for owners ready to upgrade to three-row SUVs. It should also be a model that makes the customer feel the sense of the prestige, confidence, and comfort. That's why designed especially for this important role. The design concept of this new model is a gravitas and a dynamism. Gravitas is overwhelming the presence and the solidity. It comes from the authority of the road commanding the driver's position and the proportion of an upscale three-row cabin riding the solid SUV stability and wide stance. Together, they create its generous personality of the confident poise in a class above the rest. A bold and daring face with its strong horizontals and depth of solidity, plus the wraparound windows underline the spacious interior. And the dynamism. Dynamism expresses the design bursting within energy and emotions. At the same time, dynamism is the SUV toughness and strength. Its maneuverability and capability to overcome the challenges of the road. And you can see it in this dynamic proportion with sleek, solid long nose and the roomy cabins. And the large tire and higher ground clearance for superior approach and departure angles. And the sculpted front and rear fenders clear to show the robust and athletic stance. So, this is a true SUV with proportions. And up front. Up front is our icon, the dynamic shield. This front design concept stands for the powerful performance and protection. So, like the X-Force, this dynamic shield is seamlessly and structurally integrated to enhance the solidity. But here, it evolves with a stronger horizontals plus more vertical elements to underline the wide stance and commanding look. And the new T-shaped lamp with a slit accent enhance both our identity and driving safety. T-shape clearly defined body corners for oncoming traffic and highlights the wide stance. So from the front and behind, this signature lamp design tells everybody this is the exact Mitsubishi vehicles. And the destinator also embodies a timeless modernity. For example, the front grille with its specially developed transparent acrylic to show a modern and sophisticated feel. The iconic rear pillar that signified strength and robustness, merging the sophistication of the SUV-ness with rugged capability. So, front to rear from the ground up, and inside and out, it is a fresh design forever. And next, gravitas and dynamism continues inside with a roomy and classy interior for comfort. The instrument panel is wrapped in a soft synthetic leather. And the continuity of this design across the sculpted door panel creates a sense of the enclosure and the protections, providing the secure and comfortable interior. And the long, high-position console that enables the storage underneath. It shows an upscale versatility and welcome drivers with the intuitive interface. And the large flat monolith panel, including the navigation and infotainment, gives the drivers a great experience. It offers a progressive design demanded in the ASEAN regions and the excellent SUV capability. The multi-64 colors ambient light create a sophisticated and elegant atmosphere in the interior, enhancing the overall driving experience and reflecting the sense of the prestige. And of course, we paid a lot of the attention to the rear passengers' comfort. The entire interior cabin with a panoramic sunroof feels surprisingly wide, roomy, also the cozy. And the color. The main Excel Shim color is a white pearl, and Luna Blue is a new color. It's a tough and robust images strongly express the reliable feeling of an upgraded SUV. Of course, both colors also highlight the distinct powerful design of this destinator. And for the interior, we have prepared two types of colors, maroon and black. Maroon gives a sophisticated impression and the comfort of the modern lifestyle. And the black has a feeling of the authentic, high quality, and the sporty look. So, finally, let me say it is a new generation of the Mitsubishi Motors design. Feel the pride and presence of its gravitas, and the excitement and the energy of its dynamism. So I truly believe it will be a car that will take you, your family, and your adventurous spirit to exciting the new destinations. So that's all from the design from my side. Thank you so much.
Für mehr Videos einfach abonnieren.